Hi everyone. In this video, I will be explaining how to reset the little settings in Windows 11 PC and laptop. So by accidentally, if you have just changed your color settings, or if you are not comfortable with the current setting, and you want to switch to the default one, then you just need to follow simple steps on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Right-click on your Windows icon. From the list of suggestion, click on Settings now. In the system, you have to click on Display. Scroll down and under the related setting, you will be getting an option of Advanced Display. Click on Advanced Display. And then here, it will display all kind of your monitor. Let's say if I have only one, I have to select it. I have to click on Display Adapter property for Display 1. If you have multiple display connected, then you have to choose the display for which you want to change the color settings. Another box will be coming up. Now here you have to click on Color Management. Then click Color Management again. Here, from the top menu option, you have to click on Advanced. Then at the bottom, you find a color setting are stored separately for each user. So here click Change System Default. Another box will be coming up. From the top menu option again, click on Advanced. And now here, you see an option Use Windows Display Calibration. You just need to check this option. Then click on Close. Then click on OK. Now you need to restart your PC or your laptop and the color will be resetted on your Windows 11.